All Brecon trims are designed to provide a perfectly matching finish by using the top layer of a Brecon plank. Brecon Stair Nosings provide an exact match for your stair nose overlay solution. Cut the Brecon plank to size and place on the stair tread and riser. Cut and screw a length of the aluminium nosing into position against the Brecon flooring overlay. Carefully measure, mark and score a 55mm wide strip of decor from a Brecon plank. Gently peel the strip off the Brecon plank in a controlled motion. Remove the cover paper from the self-adhesive strip. Feed the edge of the decor strip into the bottom channel of the nosing. Form the decor strip around the curve of the nosing without applying too much pressure onto the adhesive. Working from the centre of the strip to the edges, feed the top edge of the strip into the top of the channel. Once the top edge is in the channel, firmly press the decor strip onto the adhesive, working from left to right and edge to edge.